And if you're small, finding the right tree can mean a home for life. He's a Draco lizard. He's only the size of a pencil, and he eats ants. This one tree could provide him with all he will ever need, a conveyor belt of food. It's a perfect place to settle down. Well, it would be, but there's already someone here. This larger male is the tree's owner, and Dracos don't share. The owner's flag is a warning. Trespassers won't be tolerated. The owner's not only intimidating, he's prepared to battle. A dead end. Safety is a long way away. Now he must choose. Fight or flee. Only in the jungle do you find lizards that can soar like dragons. He can travel over 100 feet in a single leap. It's a very fast and efficient way to move through the jungle. Maybe this new tree will have food and no resident owner.